What if Google's next big Pixel reveal isn't going the way we thought? A fan-exclusive event suddenly scrapped, a mysterious last-minute reschedule, and now rumors flying faster than a Tensor chip on turbo mode. Something's clearly off, and it might say more about the Pixel 10 launch than Google wants us to know. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. While you're here, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss any juicy tech drops like this. So, here's the scoop. Google had quietly planned a private event just for Pixel superfans. Think early access, hands-on time with the Pixel 10, and exclusive peeks before the official reveal. Everything was locked in for late June, until it wasn't. Out of nowhere, Google started pulling the plug, telling invitees the event was canceled due to unforeseen circumstances. And instead, they're pushing a new insider event in September. Now here's where things get interesting. By September 4, the Pixel 10 will likely already be officially available. That completely kills the original charm of the event. It's no longer a sneak peek, it's a post-launch meetup. So, what gives? Why cancel a hyped-up fan preview just weeks before showtime? Some insiders think it was a simple logistical hiccup. Maybe the venue wasn't ready, maybe units weren't finalized, or maybe plans shifted with partner timelines. But others believe there could be deeper reasons. Perhaps the Pixel 10 isn't quite ready to shine, or internal testing uncovered issues they weren't expecting. Google hasn't explained. And that silence, it's fueling speculation. And in the middle of all this chaos, something cool has quietly slipped through the cracks. The Pixel 10 is rumored to be the first Pixel with built-in magnets. Sounds basic, until you realize how it completely transforms the way you'll charge, mount, or even hold your phone. For years, Pixel users have had wireless charging. But without magnetic alignment, it's often clunky and inconsistent. That's where Pixel Snap comes in, Google's answer to Apple's MagSafe. Leaks reveal at least 3 new accessories: a Pixel Snap charger, a Snap charger with stand, and a Snap ring stand. Imagine your Pixel 10 snapping into place, charged without fidgeting around, or propping it up for video calls with a built-in magnetic stand. Simple idea. Even more exciting, the Pixel 10 is expected to support the brand new QE 2.2 wireless charging standard, offering up to 60 W on paper. Realistically, Google probably won't max that out, but magnets mean better alignment and more reliable overnight charging. No more waking up to a half-dead phone because it slipped off the pad. It's a smart move, especially with Apple and Samsung both doubling down on accessory ecosystems. But unlike Samsung's low-key magnetic efforts, Google seems ready to fully commit. And if Pixel Snap accessories are already linked to the Pixel 10's firmware, we're looking at a proper first-party rollout, not just a quiet experiment. Still, all this innovation needs the right stage to shine. Which brings us back to that canceled event. When you skip a pre-launch showcase and reschedule for after the product's already out, it signals one of two things: either you're hiding something or your timing just got seriously messed up. Think about it. Events like these are more than just fan service. They build momentum, flood social media with unboxings and early impressions, and crank up anticipation before pre-orders go live. By shifting that energy after launch, Google's giving up a powerful hype tool. Unless they've got something even bigger planned, could we see an unexpected twist at the Made by Google event this August? Maybe new AI-powered features driven by Gemini, or a major Tensor chip performance leap. We've already heard whispers of upgraded cameras and smarter photo processing. But if there's a secret weapon in Pixel 10's pocket, they'll need to tease it fast to stay ahead of Samsung and Apple. Until then, this last-minute shakeup has left fans with more questions than answers. Is the Pixel 10 still launching in August? Most signs point to yes. But with this sudden schedule slip, some folks are understandably nervous. Bottom line, the Pixel 10 could end up being the smartest, most user-friendly phone Google's ever made. But getting it into people's hands and hearts starts with a flawless launch. Canceling a fan-first event doesn't tank the momentum, but it does raise eyebrows, especially when the competition is moving fast and loud. So, what do you think? Is this just a harmless reshuffle, or is Google playing damage control behind the curtain? Drop your hot take in the comments, and tell me magnetic charging is a game changer for you or just a nice to have. Hit that like button, share this with your fellow Android fans, and don't forget to subscribe if you want the inside scoop before the next tech wave hits. Sam here, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.